States of matter. Matter is anything that has mass and occupies space. Matter exists mainly in three physical states: solid, liquid, and gas. These states differ based on the arrangement and movement of particles. 1. Solid state. Solids have a definite shape and definite volume. Characteristics of solids. Particles are closely packed. Strong forces of attraction between particles. Particles vibrate about fixed positions. Not easily compressible. Examples: stone, iron, wood, ice. 2. Liquid state. Liquids have a definite volume but no definite shape. They take the shape of their container. Characteristics of liquids. Particles are less closely packed than in solids, weaker intermolecular forces than solids. Particles can slide past one another, slightly compressible. Examples: water, oil, kerosene. 3. Gaseous state. Gases have no definite shape and no definite volume. Characteristics of gases. Particles are far apart. Very weak intermolecular forces. Particles move freely and randomly. Highly compressible. Examples: oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide. Kinetic theory of matter. The kinetic theory states that matter is made up of tiny particles. Particles are in constant random motion. Increase in temperature increases the kinetic energy of particles. Changes of state. Matter can change from one state to another through physical processes: melting, solid, liquid, freezing, liquid, solid, evaporation, boiling, liquid, gas, condensation, gas, liquid, sublimation, solid, gas, e.g. iodine, naphthalene. Effective heat on matter. Heating increases particle movement and spacing. Cooling reduces particle movement and brings particles closer.